Hello fellow Discord enthusiasts, if you're facing the frustrating issue of Discord not opening, don't worry, we've got your back. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through a series of steps to troubleshoot and get Discord up and running again. Let's jump right in. Now for step 1, we need to check our Task Manager. So start by opening Task Manager. If Discord is currently attempting to open but isn't succeeding, locate it in the Task Manager and end the process. Now let's go ahead and open up Task Manager, like so. And then let's find Discord and end the task, like so. Then step 2 is uninstall problematic apps. Sometimes conflicting apps can cause issues with Discord. In your system settings, find the installed apps section. Or we can go ahead and go to apps and features. Uninstall any apps that might be causing interference. In this case, be cautious of Roblox. So Roblox sometimes would make Discord not open. So therefore we need to uninstall it. As for me, I have Roblox uninstalled. Now for step 3, we need to clear Discord app data. Open the run dialog by pressing the Windows key plus R. Then type in %appdata% and hit enter. Now locate the Discord folder, right click, and then you can delete it. This clears out any cache data that might be causing problems. Then step 4, we need to clear local app data. So again, still in the run dialog, type in %local app data% and then hit enter. Find the Discord folder again and delete it. This ensures a fresh start for Discord. Then you can delete it. Next is step 5, which is reinstalling Discord. Now head to your web browser and search for the official Discord website. Download and install the Discord application from their website. You can see here we have download for Windows. Just click this button and then follow the instructions given to you. And there you have it. By following the steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the issue of Discord not opening. Remember, technology is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest solutions. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now, get back to enjoying seamless communication with Discord.